Other news, an East Baton Rouge grand jury has reviewed the cases against 10 people facing criminal charges in connection to the death of an LSU student during an alleged hazing incident. Chris Jackman has more from Baton Rouge.
I think the DA has done a great job.
Maxwell Gruver's father, Stephen Gruver, very emotional after hearing the grand jury's decision to indict the men allegedly responsible for the hazing death of his son.
We really appreciate everything that they've done, and that's what else to say.
20-year-old Matthew Knockin was indicted this afternoon on negligent homicide. 21-year-old Sean Paul Gott, 19-year-old Ryan Isto, and 21-year-old Patrick Ford are facing misdemeanor charges of hazing. The grand jury also heard evidence related to charges against 5 other students, but they were not able to reach a consensus. Police say the victim, Maxwell Gruver, was targeted back in September by members of Phi Delta Theta in a hazing ritual they called Bible study, where pledges were allegedly forced to chug 190 proof alcohol if they got fraternity questions wrong. Gruver's autopsy showed his blood alcohol content was 0.495%. That's more than 6 times the legal limit to drive.
You would just hope that other young kids and parents that maybe have children would be in the same position would look to see this is really not the way to go. Look what happened to these parents. Look what happened to this young man. Now look what's potentially going to happen to these individuals that participated, maybe in something that they didn't think was that serious and that dangerous. If
convicted, Knockin could face up to 5 years in prison, and a conviction of the state's hazing statute carries up to 30 days in jail, with a maximum fine of $100. In Baton Rouge, I'm Chris Jackman, Eyewitness News.
District Attorney Hiller Moore says hazing and excessive use of alcohol are extremely dangerous situations, and this case involved both. He's also asking anyone with information involving this case to call LSU police or his office.